Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning to all. Today I'm trying to connect these things. Some issue is there. So also for the online student, please just wait. Okay, so let's continue the session. In the previous lecture, we were solving this example, right? We were solving this example, and half example was done. Last two things is remaining, length of contact and contact ratio. These two things are remaining. So let us quickly revise first from the beginning. So what we have done in this example, I'm just sharing it from here. Yes, lots of network issues. In that example, this was the given data. Small teeth, small gear having the 30 number of teeth, big gear having the 80 number of teeth, right? Pressure angle that is at 20 degree, module 12 mm, addendum height 10 mm. These are the given data. The first thing that we need to calculate is what? Length of path of contact, right? Length of path of contact. Here it is. Right. So what is the equation for the length of path of contact? That is equal to KL plus KP, right? So this is the thing we have already done in the previous lecture. Now we have just calculated the KL and KP individually like this. This is the KP, right? RA square under root of RA square minus R square cos square 5 minus R sin phi. Remember these two equations. That is the equation, and we have seen the derivation also, right? And PL is this one. Similar equation is there for the PL also, but here it is small ra, right? Instead of capital, it is small ra. Small ra r square cos square phi minus R sin phi. These two equation is everything for the gear, right? So we need to find the KP and PL. Then we need to make the summation of this thing, right? Now KP and PL, in that case, what is the required things? We should have the R. Okay, R is not given in the question. R means what? Teeth circle radius. So that is not given in the question. We need to first calculate the R, right? Then after we need RA. RA means what? Addendum radius. Radius of addendum circle. Right, radius of addendum circle. Okay. So we have just calculated the r and capital R and small r because we know the equation mt by 2. Okay, for the radius, the circle radius. And RA, that means we have to just add the addendum. Add the addendum. Radius plus addendum. Radius plus addendum. So now we have the RA and all the data we have, we can calculate the KP and PL. Okay. So we have done this exercise in the previous lecture. What was the answer? Just tell me. KP is equal to 20 to 7 point something, right? And PL, that is 25, I think. So KL, length of path of contact, that was actually how much? 52. 52.15. 15. Okay, 2.5. So that was the answer, first answer of our question. Okay. And in the question, see, online student, observe the question, you have the question, right? A pinion having the 30 teeth and gear having the 80 teeth, that was the question. Profile involute with 20-degree pressure angle, 12 mm module and 10 mm addendum. These are the given. Find the length of path of contact. The first thing is done. Second is what? Arc of contact, and third one is what? Contact ratio. So check out the equation for the arc of contact. What is the equation of arc of contact? Yes, anyone? Arc of contact is equal to what? Length of path of contact divided by what? So this is the equation we have already just derived. Okay, cos 5, exactly, yes. Check the previous pages, cos 5. And one more thing that I want to add over here, right? Now be regulars, okay? Now everyone just be the regular, not in terms of the college, in terms of the subject also, all the subject, not for this one. Okay, now forget about that online learning and all. I'm just discussing with these students online and offline both, right? That COVID is actually no more big problem as per current situation. So we can say that everything will go normal and you can face the examination offline mode. Okay. You need to face the examination in the offline mode. So be serious about this thing. Okay. These are the lectures in this subject. These are the lectures. We need to solve the numericals and all. So all the lectures are connected. All the lectures are connected with the previous lecture. So you should have the knowledge of previous thing. Right. These are the very simple equations. We have already just derived this thing in last lecture. Right. So arc of contact, that is equal to what? Length of path of contact divided by cos 5. So we have the length of path of contact, that is a 52.5. Right. So do the calculation. What is the answer? Yes, give me the answer. Yes. Give me the answer. What is the arc of contact, please? Do the calculation. Are you attending the lecture for the first time? Huh? Okay. Online. Okay. ભાગાકાર આવડે? ભાગાકાર આવડે? Length of path of contact કેટલું મળ્યું આપણને 52.5 ભાંગ્યા cos 5. તો હું કરીને આપું. No, it is not correct, Harsraj. Okay. So the answer is 55.6. Yes. Okay. 55.6. So that is the arc of contact. That is what the arc of contact. Now the next thing, or we can say last thing that we need to calculate over here is what? Contact ratio. So what is the equation for the contact ratio? Anyone remembers? Hmm? Length of path of arc of contact divided by or multiply by. Okay, Alfred, very good. Okay, so the equation for the contact ratio, that is length of arc of contact divided by circular pitch. So what is the circular pitch? What is the circular pitch? Just give me the equation. By circular pitch by d upon. Okay, but here we have the module. We can just directly calculate pi into module. Okay, so PC, that is pi into module. So what is the PC? 337. Okay, 37.7. Okay, very good, Alfred. So you can just calculate the contact ratio now, because we have the arc of contact that we can take from here, and PC, that is this one, 37.7. So arc of contact is equal to what? Okay, 1.47. Okay, good one. Okay. Okay. So that is the end of example, right? That is the end of example. Now, one more thing. Contact ratio means what? Contact ratio means number of teeth in contact. Right? We have just seen the definition. Contact ratio means number of teeth in contact. Right? So is it possible that 1.47 teeth is in contact? Is it possible that 1.5 teeth is in contact? Not possible. Right. The tooth may be connected, one or two or three, like that. Okay. 1.1 not possible, because 1.5 means what? One teeth is completely connected, another one is a half, but still it is connected, and we don't need to find that how much it is connected. It is connected or not, that we need to check on this. We have to just give the number of teeth. We have to just give the number of teeth. So 1.47, that is not answer. The correct answer is what? The correct answer is, we can say it's a 2. Number of teeth in contact is equal to how much? 2. Right. So remember this thing just for the contact ratio. Just for the contact ratio, it will be always full number. It will be always full number. Contact ratio ક્યારે point માં નહીં આવે, full number જ આવશે. 1.1 હોય તો પણ 2 આવે. એવું નહીં કે 1.1 2 ની નજીક 1 ની નજીક છે તો 1 લઈ લે. Right. If it is 1.1 then and then also it is 2. Okay, 1.2 that is also 2. 2.1 that is equal to 3. Yes, exactly. So that is the special thing about the contact ratio, right? Okay, now we are moving to the next example. A little bit twist is there in this example. A number of teeth on each of the two equal spur gear in mass are 40. Just a minute. Yes, the teeth have the 20-degree involute profile and the module is 6 mm. If the arc of contact is 1.75 times the circular pitch, find the addendum. So you can see that it's a completely reverse procedure, right? In the previous example, what was the procedure? Just note it down. Then after we discuss. Please note down the question. Online student also. Okay, done. Okay, so small t is equal to how much? Small t is equal to understand the question from your side. That is important, right? Understand the question from your side. That is understand. Wear the mask properly. Right. So small t is equal to how much? 40. 40. And capital T? Capital T? Third bench. Bench number 3. क्या खोई गया? मास्क पहनो. समझाना क्वेश्चन हमको. कैपिटल टी, नंबर ऑफ टीथ કેટલા કીએ છે આમાં? કેટલા કીએ છે? 40. ઓકે. So small t, just note down the given data. Small t is equal to 40, capital T that is equal to 40. And 5, pressure angle 5 that is a 20 degree. And module that is a 6 mm. Right. Module is 6 mm. Arc of contact is equal to see the question 1.75 into circular pitch PC. Okay. And we have to find the addendum. Okay. We need to find the addendum. In the previous example, we have the addendum. Okay. We have the addendum. And we need to find the arc of contact, path of contact, and circular pitch and all that. Right. But here, addendum is not given. RA, small RA and capital RA. Right. That is not given. So we need to find that. Okay. So how to find it? Let us see. Question done. Okay. Example number 2. Example number 2. Small t that is equal to 40, capital T that is equal to 40, pressure angle phi that is equal to 20 degree, module M that is equal to 6. Anything else? Arc of contact. What was that? Arc of contact? 1.75 into PEC. So this is given in the question, right? This is known as what? Given data. Generally, the step up to here contains 1 mark, not fixed. Okay, but if you provide the proper given data, that contains 1 mark in the examination. Okay, this example may be of 6 marks. This example and the previous example, it may be of 6 to 8 marks in the examination. And yes, be prepared for the examination in the offline mode. Okay. I think you should have the mid-semester examination timetable also. Okay. Yeah. So we have this chapter, gears, in the mid-sem examination. Right. Total 3 chapters are there in the mid one. And yes, if you want to see the course on exhibition, total 3 chapters are there. Okay. Mechanism and machine from the Nikhil sir. 35%. Note down mechanisms and machines. 35% will be from that chapter. Approximate, right? Special mechanism. Chapter 1 was what? Mechanisms and machines. Chapter 2, special mechanism. 20%. And last one, that is gear. Our chapter gear. That contains 45%. 45. 35, 20, 45. Okay. 35, 20, 45. 45 is 4 gears. This one is special mechanism, and this is the mechanisms and machines. Yes. I prefer generally theory of machine by R.S. Khurmi, S.S. Ratan. R.S. Khurmi. Yes. R.S. Khurmi. Theory of machine. Theory of machine by R.S. Khurmi. Or the another book is little bit difficult. S.S. Ratan. Yes, Khurmi and S.S. Ratan. So क्यों? हाँ, name same चाहिए. हाँ, नाम बनने में क्या? Theory of machines. Name is same for the both. S.S. Ratan or Khurmi. And I have a soft copy. Okay. I have a soft copy of Khurmi. See, it is a soft copy of Khurmi, chapter wise. Okay, so let's start the solution for this example. Right, we need to complete this example. So please do it fast. Okay. So what we need to give the answer in the answer? We need to give the answer as an addendum, right? Addendum that we need to find. So addendum is equal to what? First of all, addendum is equal to what? Two types of the addendum will be there for the pinion and gear both. Okay, if we talk about the gear, then RA is radius of addendum, not addendum. RA is equal to what? Radius of addendum. So RA minus pitch circle radius, that is equal to addendum of gear, and small ra minus small r pitch circle radius of pinion, that is equal to addendum of pinion. Okay, so we need to find these two things. Okay, addendum for the gear and addendum for the pinion. समझाई છે ત્યાં સુધી બધાને properly? કઈ problem હોય તો કહેજો. So we need to have the RA and R. Okay, that is not given in the question. That is not given in the question. We can calculate the capital R and small r easily. Capital R is equal to M T by 2. Small r is equal to M small t by 2. So that is equal to how much? Do it. Give me the answer. Both will be the same. Yes, 120. Okay, so pitch circle radius is 120. Yes, 120. Right. Clear up to here, everyone? Yes, any doubt? Yes, international students. Any doubt, any problems? Not up to here? Okay, online student, if you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me anytime by using the chat box. Okay, now we have to find this radius of addendum and radius of addendum for the pinion. So is there an equation for the radius of addendum? Is there an equation? Okay. That is actually not possible part, but I can just brief you. Right. हमने जो अभी just 1 minute. Sorry to international. Okay, हमने जो अभी तक क्या किया है? See, number of teeth that was given. प्रेशर एंगल हमें दिया था, मॉड्यूल हमें दिया था, आर्क ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट हमें दिया था 1.75 into पी सिस्टम, राइट, और हमें फाइंड करना है एडेंडम. तो एडेंडम मतलब क्या? एडेंडम मतलब रेडियस ऑफ एडेंडम माइनस पिच सर्कल रेडियस. एडेंडम रेडियस, उसमें से हमें माइनस करना है पिच सर्कल रेडियस. सो वो होगा हमारा एडेंडम ऑफ गियर, एंड radius of addendum for the smaller one also similar, right? So capital R and small r वो हमें मिल जाएगा mt by 2, right? ये इक्वेशन हमें बताया. अब हमें फाइंड करना है RANRA, right? Capital RA and small RA, that is the radius of addendum. तो यहाँ तक क्लियर है अभी पार्थ? And yes, what is the equation for the RA and RA? RA and RA, उसके लिए कोई equation है? Is there an equation for the addendum radius? For the addendum of the gear or pinion, do you have an equation? Sorry? I am asking that, do we have any equation for the radius of addendum? Radius of addendum. Not that. Just check the equation of length of path of contact. Kp and PL again. Kp and PL is equal to what? Kp and PL is equal to what? In that equation, we have the values like RA square minus R square. What was that? Cos square 5 minus R sine 5. Am I right? So in this equation, if we have the Kp, can we calculate the RA? See, this is the very smallest twist. Okay, in the first example, even lots of twist will be there. Example, see, it's an infinite thing. If you want to generate the example, right, lots of the things can be manipulated. You can ask the same thing in the many ways. Okay, and that is we are doing in the example. You have to apply just little bit logic, nothing else. Okay, this is the similar as the previous example. Only you have to think from the reverse side. Okay, and here again it's a under root of small r a square minus r square cos square 5 minus r sine 5. This is the equation we have. Okay, but if we want the final equation, that is a K, length of path of contact, then that means what? This term plus this term, Kp plus PL, right? Kp plus PL. So we have the KL. So do we have the KL? KL is given in this question. No, KL is not there. But what we have? See the question again. Arc of contact, that is equal to 1.75 into PC. Do we have the PC? Circular pitch. What is that? Circular pitch. PC is equal to. See, these are the very basic equation. આ બધા basic equations છે gear ના. Right, અને છેલ્લે સુધી રહેશે. જ્યાં સુધી engineering field માં છો ત્યાં સુધી, college નહીં. Right. Circular pitch is equal to pi into module. Pi into module. Right. So we can just calculate the arc of contact. PC is equal to pi into module multiply by 1.75. Do it. What is the arc of contact? Arc of contact is equal to, sorry, hello, no, arc of contact ની value કેટલી આવી ગયેલો? PC into module, pi into module into 1.75. See, you need to do 1.75 multiply by pi multiply by module. Module is 6. How much? 32. Then 32.97. Okay. Please verify the answer from your side. Okay. I will go with the majority. I don't have the answer. So now we have the arc of contact. Can we calculate the length of path of contact? That is reverse thing, simple. From the length of path of contact, we can calculate the arc of contact. Arc of contact is equal to what? Length of path of contact divided by cos phi. Now just reverse the thing. Okay. Length of path of contact, that is equal to arc of contact multiplied by cos phi. Am I correct? So what is the length of path of contact? Yes, Alfred, exactly. So what is the exact answer? Not 31, but how much? Three 0.99. So exactly, yes, it's a 31. Length of path of contact. Done. So now we have the length of path of contact. Right. Now we have the length of path of contact. Now we have the arc of contact. Okay. What we need? We need the addendum. See, example is not over yet. Now the main task. And that task is very difficult due to the lack of use of calculator from your side. Okay. Path of contact we have. Okay. Path of contact we have. That is a 31. So what is the path of contact? Path of contact is KL over here. KL is equal to. So we have this one 31. Okay. We have the R. We have the phi. 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 Okay. So what is the missing only? Missing only is RA and RA. And it is the obvious thing that both is having the same pitch circle radius. So small RA and capital RA will be same. Done? Because we have the same size of gear. So this is the most challenging task for you to the calculation. We have all the values. Now you should have the knowledge of calculator only. And for that I have sent one video also in the group. After the previous lecture, do you refer that YouTube video? How to use the calculator? How to use the calculator? Do you refer that? So now these are not individual equation. These are the joint equation. Okay. In the previous example, we have just calculated both things individually. Right. Individually કરવામાં તમને થોડુંક અઘરું પડતું હતું. હવે આ આખું ઇક્વેશન છે બંને સાથે. So apply your calculator skill quickly. Yes, you need a scientific calculator. That is compulsory thing. Without that, it is not possible. Yes, it is possible, but it is going to take a lot of time. Scroll down. Scroll down for what? Done. See, you have all the values. You have to just find the KL. Also, the online student, give me the answer quickly. લખાઈ ગયું equation? Equation લખાઈ ગયું? Everyone just noted. So I am just stop sharing. You have break right now or another lecture? Break है ना? Okay, one minute. Okay, you do the calculation. I am taking the attendance, and online student also do the calculations. Okay, online student can type their attendance in the chat box and also complete the calculation quickly. Okay, and one more thing regarding the attendance, if you have any issue, right, if you are present and by mistake I just put the absent, so just inform me by personal message in the WhatsApp in the same day. Okay, we can modify the attendance, online attendance on the same day only. Okay, after that we cannot modify. Attendance માં કઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય તો આજના દિવસમાં જ કહેવાનું. તમને બતાવે ને એબ્સેન્ટ પ્રેઝન્ટ એપ્લિકેશન. ભૂલથી જે એબ્સેન્ટ આવ્યું હોય તો આજના દિવસમાં કહી દેવું. ઓકે, તો હજી મેપિંગ બાકી હશે તમારે એપ્લિકેશનમાં આવી જશે. Okay, so give me the answer. No, it is not 30. Okay, I'm waiting for the answer. Yes, online student. Okay, correct answer from Alfred. First correct answer from the Alfred. Very good. Okay, online student can close the session now. If your attendance is not given, just complete it and complete the calculation from your side.